how to edit PDF file in laptop for free. So you can edit a PDF file for free using Canva on your laptop, and here is a step-by-step guide. So first of all, open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply search for the Canva PDF editor and hit enter. Make sure that you have already created a Canva account for this to work. If you have not, then simply create a Canva account first of all, and then search for the Canva PDF editor. Now all you have to do is scroll down and look for the official Canva PDF editor option available there, and simply tap on it and navigate to its official website. Now there, as you can see, upload a file option available there, or upload a PDF. Now simply choose the PDF file from your laptop and Canva will automatically convert the PDF into an editable format. It will take a few seconds. Wait for it. Now, once it is loaded in editable format, you can click on any text, image or graphic to edit it. It will take few more seconds. Now scroll down, you can change fonts, colors and sizes, move or delete elements, add shape, icons and images according to your preferences. And once you are done, you can simply tap on the export or share icon available at the top right corner and save it to your device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.